Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul, as you can see, from Crafter's Companion. This is a bit new to me actually. I've never had the parcel with this tape on, so I'm guessing maybe the tape they normally use is plastic or got some form of plastic in it, and because I know they're always trying to be conscious of the environment and stuff, so this obviously looks like a paper tape, so that's really cool. I like it. So without further ado, let's get into this one. Waited a while for it. So as you can see, it's got lots of this goodness, but believe it or not, majority of this is actually a mystery bundle bag. I've never seen a mystery bundle bag that was so jam-packed. I thought the one I'd done previously was really good, but no, this smashes it. These, I'm surmising, are what I've ordered outside of the mystery bag, so I'm going to bob them there, and I can spot these, which I've been doing these been buying these fab files. That's a bit different. I'm not used to having those notesy things in there. So yeah, so I've got this 4x6 one. Maybe this is different from what I normally get, but I don't know. Or they may have changed it, I don't know. But yes, we've got that. So everything else in here is a mystery bundle. We've actually got this well, what do you call it, little pamphlet saying what's on. We've got Leanne there going. Oh, lovely picture. Love that green. She really suits green. So yeah, so that's what's going on there, and like I say, everything else is in the mystery bundle, and this is the main reason I actually bought this mystery bundle, for this stamp set. I've not seen this stamp set before, so when I seen it I was like, yes, definitely need that. So we've got this one, and this is the Village Textures. Then we've got a Sharon Callis Friendship stamp. I have actually got this one, but I'm not too fussed. Like I said, this was amazing bundle. And then we've got a Classic Rose. I haven't got this, so I'm really made up to get that. And then we've got a You Are Amazing little elf stamp with a sunflower there. And then we've got this Mermaid Kisses. I don't think I've got this one, so I'm happy about that. This stamp set, I know I do have. I think I've got it twice now, so this is my third time I've got it. So yeah, but it's still a lovely stamp, but this is really nice to gift. This Sassy and Classy is one I have been after, so I've actually got the two I really wanted out of the collection now, and both out of the mystery bundle as well. And then we've got these Spectrum Noir Metallics. Now I have watched one previously, I did film previously. I had some of these and I did order these in that order, but then they said it wasn't in stock, so I was very surprised to see them then in a mystery bag, because they refunded me the money. So yes, we've got the 4 pots of them, so I'm really happy now that I've got those. And they come in aged copper, antique bronze, burnished copper and tarnished silver. And then we've got this Spectrum Noir black premium paper pad, and it's 240 GSM, so it's more like cards if I'm honest. So I'm really excited to try like the metallic paints and stuff on it. I've never used my Spectrum Noirs in this way on a black cardstock. And then we got a professional stamping mat. Now I'm sure there was meant to be some rocker blocks in this. Let me just check it. So there definitely should be some rocker blocks in this, so I don't know what's happened there, how they've got missed. They've actually been ticked off on the actual thing to say they've been put in here, but they've definitely not been. So I'm not too sure what's gone on there, but I'll contact them and see what they say. And then we'll open this bag, because I know these are going to be Spectrum Noir pens. But my plan is, every time I place an order now, is to actually get some of the individual ones, so then I can fulfill every pen that I'm missing in my order basically. So the first one we've got is Cardinal in DR5. Then we've got pink lace in AP1. And we've got brown grey in 9. We've got lemon in LY2. Brown grey 1. We've got green grey 1. Light yellow 1. Aniseed. Frost pink. Dusty pink. Brown grey 10. Brown grey 8. Brown grey 5. Fuchsia and pink tint. So yeah, so that's going to really come a long way now in me completing the sets, because if I buy them in the sets, I've got a lot of doubles, and I've got so many of these pens that's brand new that's in a box now that I'm waiting for them to run out and stuff. So I thought the best way to do it is actually get them individually. So yeah, so I'm probably not get as many as this next time. I'll probably just get like 3 or 4 at a time, and then that way I'm not really going to notice the finance of it, the cost of the pens itself. So yeah, so that was my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.